Hi, my name is Cole Scott, and this is my video submission for the Arduino Coding and Circuitry project for MEGN 200 Programming and Hardware Interface at Colorado School of Mines for the on-off buttons project. So, I'll just quickly give a brief introduction to this before I get started and show you the circuitry and the code. The idea is we've got a digital LED light, and we've got two buttons. One of those buttons turns on the light, and the other turns off the light. I had a lot of difficulty with the coding and the language of it, but eventually the solutions were found. But let's get right into the circuitry. This is the circuit for the light button system. So, right here, you can see the light setup goes right through, and then we've got a button on each side. This one turns it off. You'll see when I click it, nothing actually happens. The light's already off. This one turns the light on. And of course, if we click this again, nothing happens. The light is already on. Click this one, light turns off. But let's get over to the code. This is the code for the two-button system. So, you'll notice here right at the beginning, we set up our input and output locations on the Arduino board. These being the two buttons here, and this of course being the light itself. Here are the other variables that we may need to use. I didn't end up really using toggle, but it was handy to have there during the coding process. Then of course we've got to set it up, so just setting up the two buttons as inputs and this of course as an output. Moving on to the loop itself, really straightforward. Each time it iterates, it checks, and it has functionally no delay as far as checking is concerned. But if you press the button, if you push one of the buttons, it triggers one of these two if statements. If you push the button to turn it on, turns it on. Push the button to turn it off, turns it off. Pretty straightforward. And that is the circuit and the code. If you enjoyed, please be sure to leave a like. If you came up with a different solution for this process and idea, please be sure to leave that in the comments. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.